Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to tell about how to update an AirTag location and fix and find my delays. I'll explain the step-by-step process. Please keep watching this video. First step is turn on Bluetooth and internet. Your iPhone needs a Bluetooth and active Wi-Fi or cellular connection to communicate with the Find My network. For this, how to do it? For open settings and tap Bluetooth to make sure it's turned on. Connect Wi-Fi or enable cellular data. Why it means matters. Without Bluetooth or internet access, Find My can't receive update AirTag location. Now second step is open the Find My app. Launch the Find My app on your iPhone or iPad. For this, open Find My and tap the Items tab. Then select your AirTag from the list. The app will be display the most recent location available. Third one is select your AirTag. After that, play a sound. Then wait for the update. After that, move closer to the AirTag. If the location has not updated, move closer to the AirTag. The signal is stronger nearby. Then check network connection. A stable internet connection helps find my update location faster. Update iOS. For this, go to settings, choose general, then choose software update and install the latest iOS. Restart your iPhone. Restarting can fix temporary glitches that cause location delays. Then still not updating, remove the AirTag from Find My and set up it again. This can resolve the persist issues. Thanks for watching my video. I hope this video is helpful. It's really helpful. Please share this video, like this video, and thank you.